Ethan, good job this week, per usual. Keep up the good work. So we're trying to break the habit of your pick always going down, okay? So we always want that pick to go down and up when we run our scale, all right? Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to set my metronome to 50 BPMs, all right? I'm going to play it with the metronome on the video. You can play it along with me. Go over to your metronome, set your metronome to 50, and play with yours, because that's what you're used to, okay? Here we go. I'll count us in, and just play along with me. Wait for the next one to go around. Here we go. 1 and 2, and here we go. Major chord, remember that? Let's do it one more time. 1 and 2, and here we go. And I know that you're really good at going up the scale. You gotta work on going down it. It's difficult. And okay, so we got that. And we also have your habits that I want to break and come together. So we always want to make sure we use our middle finger on that riff. And you do that hammer on. And that little... that's something you will use in your guitar playing a lot, okay? So, we play this 4 times. And this one you can kind of go all down with your pick if you want, that's fine. Go to our A. Down to his knees. Then we go 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and riff. 4 times. And then back to... and then you do it again. We'll do it one more time. To the A. And then we go back to the riff again. Okay, so I want you to practice your riff 4 times into that chord progression back into your riff, okay? And get that switching down, you know, and get it fast. But start slow, speed it up, okay? All right, and I also taught you this cool little 7 Nation Army riff. All right, so I'll remind you of that. So you're gonna put your ring finger on the 7th fret of your A, which is an E note. So you got that, and then pointer on 5th fret of your D. 7, 5. Okay, so you got. Okay, and then we cross our pinky over and we go 8, 7 with your ring. All right. So you have that, and you have your scale. And to come together. That should keep you very busy this week. I suggest starting with your scale, with your metronome, and also the counting exercise that I sent you. Do your counting exercise, then run your scale, then do a couple things that you know really well, my favorite things, Smoke on the Water, and then move on to your Beatles song and Seven Nation Army, your new riff. Plenty to work on. I'll see you next week.